Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is MJ. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make this cotton soft snow cheesecake. Yes, it's so soft, so fluffy, and rich in flavor. Indulge yourself with this moist, delicate, and soft cream cheesecake. I'm sure your family will love this recipe. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started! Prepare your baking pan. I'm using here 2 pieces of 3 by 7 size round pan, and divide our cake batter evenly into our baking pan, and don't forget to preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius and bake our cake up to 30 minutes or until our toothpick comes out clean. Don't forget to top your cake butter to release air bubbles. So yes, after 30 minutes our cake is ready and we're going to prepare our cream cheese frosting. Using my hand mixer, I'm going to beat 200 grams of softened butter until soft and creamy. So yes, after our butter is soft and creamy, we're going to add 225 grams of cream cheese. So yes, our cotton soft snow cheesecake is ready. This cake is a must-try recipe. It's so soft, so moist, and so floppy. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you learned new recipe for today, and thank you so much for watching my videos. If you're new here on my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updated videos. I hope to see you next time. God bless and stay safe everyone. Bye!